The Federal High Court sitting in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State capital has nullified the People's Democratic Party (PDP) rescheduled primaries held on the 4th and 5th of June respectively, which saw Senator Obinna Joseph Ogba emerged as the governorship candidate of the party. Presiding over the judgment, Justice Funta Riman gave his judgment based on the fact that the rescheduled primary was carried out while a substantive suit filed on 30th May 2022 challenging its conduct was pending in court. Counsel to the plaintiff, who is also the PDP legal advisor, Barrister Nudi Erenede, commended the court for upholding the earlier elections which saw Dr. Ifeanyi Odi Chukwuma emerge as the party's candidate in the state.
Well, I'm Nudi Erenede.
You stood for which party?
I'm representing Chief Ifeanyi Odi, popularly known as Anyi Chuks.
Okay, your client got victory. So, how do you describe it, and what actually happened in the court?
Well, what happened in the court is justice was done. We approached the court for the court to intervene in the conduct of primaries by the People's Democratic Party. As you will recall, on the 28th and 29th of May, primaries held in the state. Most of you were present and you covered the events. It was also aired live on AIT. And several persons, both at the House of Assembly level, House of Representatives, and Senate were elected as candidates of PDP. Specifically on the 29th, Chief Ifeanyi Odi was elected as the PDP governorship candidate. But some powers that be in PDP at the national level purport to have cancelled that exercise. And as an aggrieved member of PDP who won that primaries.
Yeah, my name is Barrister.
So, what's the future of your party, PDP, in this state?
If a reasonable man, politician, is that person who can always dialogue and compromise when he ought to compromise. I'm believing that my party, as a peace-loving political party, there is always room for dialogue after this. One person must win the election, and aftermath is what the party will intend to push to make peace for the overall interests of the party.
Okay, you are a lawyer.
Yeah,
I understand.
That's not wrong.
So, what's the position?
That is why it is called committee. The chairman, in case if he compromise on the course of discharge of his duty, we have the secretary, we have other members of the committee.